I hope you are enjoying the learning experience with us. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy. In this video, we will be taking another numerical. The consumer buys 160 units of good at a price 8 per unit, which means that initial price is rupees 8 and the initial quantity is 160 units. Price falls to rupees 6 per unit, which means your price P1 is rupees 6, your new price. How much quantity will the consumer buy at the new price if price elasticity of demand is -2? So we have to find out the quantity 1, right? And we are given the elasticity of demand as -2. Now see, in the formula we used to write minus sign in order to make the elasticity of demand positive. Now they have given you elasticity of demand in negative form, which means that in the formula they have not used the minus sign. So if you get the elasticity of demand negative, do not use the minus sign in the formulas. That in that case the formula will be simple: P by Q into change in Q by change in P, which means no negative sign, as your elasticity of demand is given in negative, which means that they have not used minus sign to calculate the elasticity of demand. Now your elasticity of demand is -2, price is 8, quantity is 160. Change in quantity we have to find out. Change in price is 6 minus 8, that is -2, right? So we can calculate accordingly. 20, which gives you change in Q by -40. So your -2 into -40 is your change in quantity. So minus minus become positive 80. So this is your change in quantity. See, if we have put the negative sign here, we would have got -80, as there are three negatives: this negative, and this negative. But as the law says, if your price falls, your quantity demanded increases. So the change in the quantity should be positive in that case. So your quantity 1 is 160 plus 80, that will be your 240 units. So this was the other way the CBSE can give you the question in the exam. So there is an increase of quantity demanded by 80 units, so new quantity demanded would be 240 units. Now this is the other tricky question that you can get in your CBSE board exams. For a commodity, change in P divided by P is equal to -0.2 and the elasticity of demand is -0.3. Find the percentage change in the quantity demanded. Now, for calculating the elasticity of demand, you put the formula minus percentage change in quantity demanded to percentage change in price, and you put this negative sign so that you can get the elasticity of demand positive, because one change will be inverse. If your price increases, your quantity demanded will decrease, so quantity demanded will be negative. If your price decreases, your quantity demanded will be positive. So one thing you'll get in negative, so negative becomes positive in that case. But now in this question again, your elasticity of demand is given you -0.3, which means this sign has been ignored. So now percentage change in price. How you find out the percentage of anything you want? That is the change divided by the initial or base thing into 100, right? Now this is given to you in the question, that is minus 0.2 into 100 is 20%, minus 20%, which means that the price has reduced by 20%. Now elasticity of demand is given as minus 0.3. So we will put it into the formula and write the percentage change in quantity demanded to percentage change in price, which means minus 0.3 into this percentage change in price will come up, that is minus 20. So your percentage change in quantity demanded. So your percentage change in quantity demanded will be the 6%. So this is the, as the price have fallen down, so your quantity demanded will increase, so percentage change will be positive. So your quantity demanded increases by 6%. This is your answer. I hope you like the video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.